I have driven Tezenmausen for 13 kilometers and have not cleaned the 3 water tanks. Now the Remming air conditioner is broken. When I turn on the air conditioner, there is no cold air. I need to disassemble the Remming and repair it. Remove the compressor. After removing Remming, be sure to use an air conditioner cleaning machine to clean the air conditioning pipes, which are particularly dirty. Take apart the heat pump. Disassemble and clean the aluminum air pipe 8-way valve. Ultrasonic cleaning of magazines and heat pump hotels. Restore the hot stream system. Put the rimming back together, remove the back cover of the compressor, and disassemble the nest. In Tokyo, I chose to remove the rotor because it has light wear and needs to be replaced. Clean the rotor and stator end rods with cleaning agent. Put the rotor back again, add some refrigeration oil, and install a new hot rotor. After installing the compressor, put it in the car and turn on the air conditioner. Hot and cool air will be normal.